Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unpacking a seriously fascinating secret about how our bodies change over time. We usually just think of skin aging as this totally passive, inevitable wear and tear, like just the clock ticking away, right? But what if that narrative is totally wrong? What if aging is actually this dynamic, active conversation between your cells and the environment you create for them? Okay, let's dive into this.
What if the absolute most powerful anti-aging intervention out there isn't some complex medical procedure or an insanely expensive topical cream, but actually something you just eat quietly at the end of your day? I know, it sounds almost too simple to be true, right? But man, cellular biology tells a wild story here.
So here is a fundamental truth we honestly overlook all the time. Your skin does not age primarily during the day. It actually regenerates at night. In those quiet hours while you sleep, your body activates what we can call its biological maintenance program. This is the exact window when DNA repair enzymes get to work, collagen synthesis kicks into high gear, and your cells are making these critical decisions about whether to rebuild or decline. And what's truly amazing, literally mind-blowing, is that a single, humble food can actually amplify this conditional biological maintenance program. But to understand how, we first have to look at exactly how our body operates in the dark.
Section 1. The biological night shift. See, during the day, your biology is pretty much playing pure defense against UV rays, pollution, and just general stress. But at night, a totally coordinated symphony begins. Damaged proteins get broken down, and brand new structures are built. In fact, research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology actually shows that skin cell proliferation doubles at night, specifically peaking right between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. But here's the catch. This repair system isn't just automatic. It totally relies on some highly specific biochemical cues to get going. So, what is the catalyst?
Section 2. The Melatonin Miracle Nut.
Okay, we really need to redefine how we think about melatonin. Most of us just know it as that little sleep hormone gummy we take after a really long jet-lagged flight, right? But in cellular biology, it is an absolute master regulator of repair. It's an incredibly potent antioxidant and a key signaling molecule that broadcasts this massive, undeniable message to your cells. Okay, guys, now is the time to restore.
And this brings us to the surprisingly humble star of this explainer, the walnut. Among all the nuts ever studied, the walnut just stands entirely apart. Researchers down at the University of Texas Health Science Center found that walnuts actually contain measurable levels of bioavailable melatonin. So eating them doesn't just synthetically knock you out cold. Instead, it gently, naturally increases your circulating melatonin levels to align perfectly with your own circadian biology.
But wait, it's not just the melatonin. Walnuts create this incredible nightly convergence by pairing that melatonin with magnesium. While the melatonin is basically dictating the timing of the repair process, the magnesium deepens it. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which essentially puts your entire body into do not disturb mode. Together, they turn your sleep into the absolute perfect container for skin regeneration, which of course naturally begs the question, how does this actually change the skin we see in the mirror?
Section 3. Rebuilding skin's hidden architecture. So regeneration is ultimately all about restoring strength. That smooth, resilient skin we all want. It relies entirely on a dynamic matrix of collagen and elastin, which are built by these little cells called fibroblasts. You can think of fibroblasts as your skin's microscopic construction workers. But as we age, we don't just passively lose collagen out of nowhere. What happens is these workers basically go on a really prolonged coffee break, mainly because their internal environment just stops supporting them.
And this brilliantly illustrates how walnuts step in to completely overhaul that construction site. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that because walnuts are so extraordinarily rich in ALA omega-3s, they kick those builder fibroblasts right back into gear. And at the exact same time, they basically fire the demolition crew, those MMP enzymes that are constantly trying to break your collagen down. Toss in the copper found naturally in walnuts to act as the essential scaffolding, and you perfectly restore the balance between synthesis and breakdown. But before we can actually rebuild, we have to put out some fires.
Section 4. Calming the silent fires. We are talking about chronic, low-grade inflammation here, which is beautifully, or maybe terrifyingly, termed inflammaging in longevity research. Now, this isn't the obvious swelling of a sprained ankle. It's this incredibly subtle, persistent background noise. Sustained inflammation acts exactly like a citywide emergency. The sirens are blaring, and all your resources are diverted. In this deeply defensive state, your fibroblasts slow down, collagen-degrading enzymes get activated, and cellular rebuilding literally just halts. Even with 8 hours of perfect sleep, if this inflammation is present, your body is basically yelling, hey, now is not the time to rebuild.
So where is this alarm system actually coming from? Well, meet NF-kappa B. Think of this protein complex as the master genetic switch for inflammation. When this switch gets flipped on,
It instantly triggers genes that pump out inflammatory cytokines, which basically keeps that citywide emergency blaring on a continuous, exhausting loop.
So how on earth do we flip that switch off? We do it through these incredibly powerful bioactive compounds found in walnuts called polyphenols, specifically L-glutanins. Studies in major journals like Nutrients and the Journal of Nutrition outline this exact, fascinating process. You introduce the polyphenols, and you actively inhibit that NF-kappa B. This gently but effectively lowers the volume of those emergency signals until the balance is fully restored, letting your cellular construction crews finally get back to work, which actually brings us to yet another invisible youth factor.
Section 5. The internal irrigation system.
You know, aging skin is rarely just a surface issue. Long before it visibly ages on the outside, it is first undernourished on the inside. Every single millimeter of your skin relies on this dense, microscopic web of blood vessels, and the absolute key to this entire network is the endothelium. It's this remarkably thin intelligence layer lining those vessels. It actively regulates exactly how well blood, oxygen, immune signals, and vital repair molecules are distributed to your skin cells. Let's be very clear about this. A sluggish endothelium basically means a deprived face.
But amazing research from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health and the journal Circulation really highlights the vascular benefits of walnuts. The specific combination of omega-3s and L-arginine precursors found in walnuts actually boosts the availability of nitric oxide in your blood. And nitric oxide is crucial. It's a vital communication signal that tells your blood vessels to just relax and expand, vastly improving your endothelial flexibility. The end result? A fully restored, highly efficient internal irrigation system that drastically accelerates cellular repair while you're fast asleep. But there is one final layer of defense we still need to talk about.
Section 6. Shielding against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is happening every single second in every single cell of your body. As your cells make energy, they produce these highly unstable molecules called free radicals. And these free radicals go around literally stealing electrons from your structural proteins, like collagen and elastin, causing microscopic damage. But here's the thing. Oxidative stress is not just about the damage itself. It is fundamentally a mismatch. It happens when free radical production just totally overloads your body's natural fire response teams, namely your internal antioxidants like glutathione, superoxide dismutase, and catalase.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is exactly where walnuts offer a truly holistic solution to that mismatch. Instead of just taking some isolated single-ingredient supplement, walnuts deliver this beautifully synergistic dual-action defense network. On one side, you have lipid-soluble vitamin E integrating directly into your cell membranes to form a literal physical barrier against those oxidative sparks, and on the other side, you have polyphenols actually communicating directly with your DNA to increase the expression of your body's own natural antioxidant enzymes. They don't just override your biology, they actually empower it.
Which brings us right to the core thesis of all the data we've explored today. Your skin is not passively aging, it is actively responding to the balance between damage and repair. Aging is a totally conditional process, guys. It is the accumulation of subtle microscopic signals repeated over and over time. And the incredible news is that you hold the power to proactively influence that exact balance from the inside out.
So as we wrap up today's explainer, I really want to leave you with this thought. Think about your own nightly habits. Are you actually giving your cells the biochemical tools they desperately need to rebuild? Or are you just leaving them in a state of unassisted decline? Small, consistent signals, honestly, something as simple as a handful of walnuts, can completely reshape your biological architecture. So I have to ask, what daily signals are you sending to your biology? Thanks so much for exploring this with me today. Stay curious and keep learning.